7 ID bottle, one of the old glass ones.
Yeah.
And it had gin in it.
Yeah.
Did you steal Kimber's computer? He's all, I didn't attack them, Mom. You're not Uncle Jim though, so I'm gonna keep playing.
Is it buried under your pajamas? No, because I cleaned my room.
Uh-oh, here comes Kimber. Do you hear her?
There you go.
Wait a minute here.
You have to lift it up.
Look at that face.
Mom, I need
Look at that face.
What is he
Why are you
buying?
peeking on your
What is he buying?
Fortunately for you, he doesn't know how to left click
Say
yet.
something.
Xander, what are you doing?
Mom, I don't
You're so precious. His little hand.
I
It's
know.
an orange and pink.
He's all, I was worried a little bit when Kim came in. Well, oh, Uncle Jim. Okay. Oh, they're gone. Okay, I'm gonna put my hands back up here.
You just slowly put it down. Oh, you're so cute. Little munchkin. Little munchkin boy.
What's he doing?
I would have left with this, without this too.
Oh, she was just looking for that, I think, actually.
Obviously, and she found it.
What's the matter, baby? It doesn't work. He's expecting Sonny to start playing.
What happened?
Yeah, who did that?
Who did that? Did Mommy do it?
He's all, oh, maybe.
Yeah. What are you doing?